Marie. Welcome to Marie's Kitchen. I am so excited to partner with H-E-B this year to help y'all holiday even brighter. Today I want to share one of my favorite recipes for easy apple crisp. And this is what I call apple pie light, because although it has all the delicious flavors of apple pie, it is so much easier. No crust involved, but you still get all those flavors of baked apple with butter and cinnamon. It's so good and so easy. I really think you're going to love this one. Let's get started. So the first step, we're just going to take about 5 to 6 cups sliced apples, peeled and cored. These are Envy apples, which I love. It's one of my favorite snacking apples, and also it's great for baking. Otherwise, Granny Smith is a great apple. It's nice and tart and really has a great texture when baked. So choose one of those apples, peel, slice, and core those, and then we're going to put them in a big bowl, about 5 or 6 cups of them. And then we're going to mix that with some lemon juice, 1 tablespoon, half a teaspoon cinnamon, and some brown sugar. So I'll just pour my lemon juice right in there. Then we'll add our half teaspoon cinnamon. And 1/3 cup brown sugar. So now we'll just toss to combine. Whenever I make apple pie or this apple crisp and have this big bowl of apples with sugar and cinnamon and lemon juice, my kids love to snack on them. So throw a few extra apples in there and let your kids snack on them while you're baking. For the dish, we're going to use this kitchen and table H-E-B pie plate, and I love it with this beautiful ruffled edge. It just looks so lovely on your holiday table. So we're going to put our apples right inside the pie plate. Like that, and whichever dish you use, these apples should come right up to the top. Apples sink when they cook, so you do want to fill up your dish pretty full. Those look great. Now we'll set these aside and start on the topping. For the topping, we're going to use the same bowl, and to me that is huge, not having another bowl to clean. So same bowl, and in this bowl we're going to mix in some flour, brown sugar, oats, walnuts, a little bit of salt, and some butter. And then we're just going to mix that together with our fingers, and so no machines needed. It's so simple and so easy. Love it. For filling, we'll need 3/4 cup flour, 3/4 cup chopped walnuts, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1/2 cup oats. Then we'll add 1/4 teaspoon salt and give that a stir. Okay, next we'll add 8 tablespoons or 1/2 cup unsalted butter. And this is room temperature, so it'll be easy to work in with our fingertips. Just put the butter right in there. You're going to have to get your hands a little messy, but that's the fun part about baking, right? I love the way baking is so visceral. You feel the butter, you feel the flour and sugar and the oats, you feel all that. And that's an important part of baking and life. Okay, this looks great. We've got some bigger chunks of butter, and it's still just really nicely mixed. It feels kind of like wet sand, and so that is done. Now we're just going to spread this over the apples. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I love a crumble topping with oats, nuts, and flour and butter. There's just nothing better. And it looks so pretty in this pie plate. Okay, now we'll preheat the oven to 350 degrees and bake for 1 hour. Okay, the apple crisp is ready. We're gonna let it cool for about 15 or 20 minutes. It smells so good in here. The apples and the cinnamon and the topping is all crisp and nicely browned. I can't wait to share this with my family with a big scoop of vanilla ice cream. If you get a chance to try it, let us know in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Also, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. We so appreciate your likes. And then hit that subscribe button and the bell button for notifications, because we've got lots more videos coming up with easy recipes just like this, perfect for your holiday celebration with HEB.